By the time you turn 30, half of your remembered life is already over. Not half your years, half the time your brain will ever actually store. Here is the strange part. When you were 5, 1 year was 20% of your entire life. At 50, that same year is only 2%. Your brain measures time in proportions, not in minutes. So every year quietly feels shorter than the one before it. There is a second reason, and it is about novelty. When everything is new, a first day of school, a first job, a first city, your brain records dense, detailed memories. But routine erases detail. A commute you have done 1,000 times barely registers. Whole weeks vanish because nothing stood out. This is why summers felt endless when you were a kid, and now a year disappears before you have even noticed it. Here is the good news: you can slow time back down. Take a different route home. Learn a skill that makes you clumsy again. Travel somewhere your brain has no template for. Novelty forces your mind to pay attention, and attention is what turns ordinary minutes into lasting memories. So before this year slips away, what is the one new thing you will do this week?